Hey loves, so recently I made this necklace and I wanted to show y'all how to do the little components, the little chain links there. Um, Grab yourself an eye pin, a bead, some cutters, a round nose plier, and I'll show you how. So get a bead. I use my fingers and bend the wire over the bead like how you have it there, and then use some cutters to cut it to the length you want. I mark my round nose pliers so I know where I want it to be every time, and then you just twist your wrist kind of around it, and then that's how you would get your component. And then to keep adding on, I'm going to show you how to open and close it. You open it how you would a jump ring, which is from side to side like a swinging door. You do not pull the wire out, or otherwise you will warp your wire, and you don't want to warp your wire. So side to side, and then you add on your component, whatever bead or whatever you're using, and you again close it up like a swinging door. And for ear wires, you do the exact same thing, and you really want to be careful because some ear wires are much more thin than like the wire you're using for the component, so just be careful with that. But you add it on just how you would, and then these are the finished earrings.